everyone, today I am giving you information on the topic screening visual field. Screening visual field is basically a test which is used to check out the peripheral field loss, and it should be in a very great amount, and this test is used to find out. Okay, so this is only used for the peripheral field loss and it should be in a very large amount. Next one is instrument. Only two instruments are required. First one is lamp and the second one is target. Target may be a pen or the finger. Next one is setup. Now how there be the setup between the examiner or the patient. The patient should remove his or her spectacles. First of all, these spectacles should be removed. Second one, examiner faces at the patient eye level about 50 centimeter away. Okay, that distance between both of them is 50 centimeters. Okay, so the distance between both of them is 50 centimeter and their eye level should be matches with one another. Next one is light did not shine directly in the patient or examiner's eye. Okay, the rest of the room is dimly illuminated. Space between the patient and examiner is highly illuminated. Now the space between both of them is highly illuminated and the light did not shine in eyes of the examiner or the patient. Okay, this should be the setup. Let's move to the next one. Procedure. Hold the finger in front of the patient eye while testing at 40 to 60 centimeter. After maintaining the distance, we are supposed to hold the finger. Means examiner should hold the finger in front of the patient eye. Okay. Instruct the patient to maintain fixation at the tip of your finger throughout the test. While doing the whole test, the patient should maintain his or her fixation on the tip of the examiner's finger. Okay. Show the target to the patient. Now we are supposed to show the target to the patient, that this target should be shown to you. Okay, tell the patient to occlude his left eye. Now the patient should occlude his left eye when we are going to test the right eye of the patient, and the left eye of the patient should be occluded by the patient's hand. Place the target where the patient cannot possibly see the target. We are supposed to place the target at that side where the patient is not supposed to see the target. Okay, and slowly move it towards the line of sight, and slowly we are supposed to take it towards the eyes. Next one is test the appropriate 8 locations in the field of each side of 4 visual field meridian. 8 different locations. At 8 different locations we are supposed to mark it. Let's see. Okay, first of all, the patient should occlude his right eye. This one is the right eye and this one is the left eye. Patient should occlude his right eye when we are testing the left eye. Okay, we are supposed to take the target from this side towards the patient eyes, and the patient have to instruct where he or she sees the target. Then we are supposed to take the target from this side and the patient have to instruct where he sees the target. At that point we are supposed to note. Okay, so this point we are supposed to note and this point we are supposed to note. Next one is we are supposed to show the target from this side as well as we are supposed to show the target from this side, and we have to note each and every point for the patient. Okay, this one was for the right eye. While going for the left eye, the patient should occlude his right eye. Okay, properly, and then we are supposed to introduce the target from this side, from that side, from down side as well as from upside. Okay, and have to note down all these things where the patient tell you that he is seeing the target. Okay, these were the 8 different locations in 4 different directions. Okay, let's move further. Next one is side should be. Now when we are going the superior, this side is superior. Okay, when we are talking about this, then our target should be above the eyebrow. Okay, next one is inferior side. This one is the inferior side, so the target of the inferior side should be on the cheeks of the patient. Next one, lateral. When we are talking about the lateral, for the right eye lateral area should be here, and for the left eye lateral area should be here. Now we are talking only for the right eye, so the lateral area should be here. Okay, next one is nasal, on the border of other eye. Nasal area should be here. at the border of other eye. Okay, let's move further. All over the side: superior, inferior, lateral, and nasal. In simple words, superior means above, inferior downwards, lateral at the corners, and nasal means at the nose side. This was the end. This was the end. Thanks for your patience listening.